The arrival of Silver Moon cruise vessel at the port of Scarborough signaled the official start of cruise season in Tobago. It's the first time this ship from Silver Sea Cruises has visited the island.
We're happy that Silver Moon had confidence in Tobago as a destination. Tobago has a special place in the hearts of travelers, I think. And that is the thing that we have to grow and build on. The reality is that I think we offer something that no other destination offers. We offer a mix of activities, culture, experiences that are second to none.
As part of the island's tourism initiative, passengers from the vessel's maiden voyage were greeted with a lively cultural showcase. Also on display was an array of local handicraft.
So during the cruise season, we will have a lot of our traditional heritage characters, mukojambis, more drum, more pan or national instruments, and just a plethora of cultural items. And when they see our characters, they get to get a taste of who we are here in Tobago.
So while we were having our breakfast, we were able to listen to, and I did go back to the cabin and get my camera so that I could actually zoom in on the performance. It was great. So thank you for the warm welcome.
Along with Silver Moon, cruise vessel Rhapsody of the Seas also made its first visit to Tobago. It brought just over 2,000 passengers, many of them from neighboring Caribbean islands.
The experience of Tobago as opposed to mainland Trinidad is what we are actually trying to experience.
Because I saw the neighboring country of Tobago when I was younger, but I never get to come to Tobago, so I chose the experience because I love Trinidad as well, so I just want to get a flavor of Tobago. So I really appreciate it so far. So just going into the country now and see what's going on.
Rhapsody of the Seas is on a South Caribbean cruise leaving Barbados. The vessel is expected to make approximately 10 calls to destination Tobago, creating an opportunity for intra-regional travel.
And if you go to cruise, you always have to go to Miami to go to cruise. So I think having it start in a Caribbean country and in a Caribbean country is an excellent initiative.
It shares amongst us, the West Indies. We're spending money in each other's islands. And we also get a chance to see the similarities and the differences.
The efforts to restart Tobago's cruise industry is a collaboration among the Division of Tourism, TITAL, the Port Authority, Tobago Division of the TTPS, the Transport Associations, tour operators, Intercontinental Shipping Limited, and Cavallo Cruise Services. From the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities, and Transportation, I'm Juliet James reporting for Let's Talk Tobago.